Check out this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. This reconfigurable pickup truck is basically a Chevrolet Suburban SUV with an open cargo bed separated from the cab by a midgate. Lowering the midgate and rear seat extends the 5.3-foot cargo box to 8.1 foot. The rear window also removes and stores on board. This Avalanche was traded in year of Dallas Dodge. The Carfax shows that it was never in any accidents. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $15,992. Contact the dealership today.